Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to check serial number on your headphones LG Tone Free Fit. So basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one is to use a box, and right here at the top right here we have SN, what means serial number, so you can check it right here, or you can use a charging case and just turn over it. Right here at the bottom we also, you can see it. Right here we have SN, again serial number, so you can check it also here. And the last one option is to use an application, open it. Now scroll down and click on software update. Right here at the top we have serial number, so you can check also in the application. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!